different light, white noise that keeps me up.
Guys, welcome back to another video. So today, since it's the new year, I know I haven't posted. The last video that I posted was just like a little travel blog or something like that, because I really want to incorporate those as well. So yeah, today I just wanted to do my everyday makeup look, but just using products that I had purchased and I have not used yet, like my SheGlam, which I love Shein. They have amazing products, so that's what I'm going to show you today, how I created this look. L.A Camo Powder Foundation for full coverage, semi-matte finish, and it's in medium 330W. And guys, I really love this, and I got it for it was 11, but I got it for 330, which I really love. Oh my god, I don't know, I've been really into powder foundations, not so much wearing liquid, or just, I don't know, I just been doing really simple makeup. Been liking that, like really liking the matte look. So for work, I literally just put concealer, a little bit of powder foundation, some mascara, and I'm out the door. Today I wanted to do a little bit more, you know, blush and contour and stuff, just to show you the product. Yeah, and I also got it in a dark one, and this one is tan, just to use this one as the bronzer, which I really like these two together. I really like it. It's really nice. I feel like if you haven't tried it, try it. I don't know, I just love e.l.f. e.l.f. has always been like one of my favorite makeup brands. So yeah guys, for this new year, I really want to try to do more makeup videos again. I miss doing makeup videos and filming those for you guys, so that's what I'm doing. So this is the look that I created. I'm also using the Morphe Hot For You 9H palette, which I really like this palette. I did one look with it and I haven't really played with it as much, so I just thought I would do another look with it. So yeah, most of these products I got from Shein, guys. Shein is amazing, has amazing products. You should try it. I didn't get their foundation, so that's why I tried the e.l.f. foundation, because I have never tried this one before. So I really loved it. And yeah guys, usually, you know, my brows I do off camera because it takes me forever, and I just, for my eyebrows, I just use eyeshadow, like black eyeshadow. I don't know, I've just been loving like that soft kind of brow. It just, I don't know, these days I barely wear makeup, guys. I really barely wear makeup. I try to not wear makeup as much, and I've noticed that my skin is so much better when I don't have pounds and pounds of makeup on my face. I'm trying to do content on my channel that is more like vlogging and cooking and makeup and faith-based, all these things that I love and to incorporate into these videos. So yeah guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my socials. Also guys, make sure to share this video. Everything in the description down below for you guys to check out. And also this new year, I really focusing on trying to reach my 1,000 subscribers, so please help me out. If anyone has any ideas or any things that I changed or I should do on my channel, please let me know in the comments down below. It's much needed and much appreciated. So yeah guys, so just know that there's a lot of like faith-based content on my channel, whether it's Bible studying, whether it's Bible journaling, whether it's bullet journaling, just, you know, speaking about my testimony, the things that I want to do, that I love to do all at once. I don't want to do videos that everybody's doing. Like, I just want to be my authentic self. I'm not trying to be no one or anybody else. I just want to be me, and I want people to follow me for what I bring to the table, which is, you know, the different content. And I mean, I feel like YouTube has room for everybody to grow and everybody to have a space in YouTube. So I do YouTube because I really like to upload and, you know, edit videos and stuff like that. So yeah guys, I don't want to ramble too much, and you know, like, you know me guys, I haven't been a minute since I filmed or whatever, and I started talking. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look. It's nice and simple. I've really been loving this matte look. I just love it so much. And yeah guys, you guys know that I live in a smaller place, so I really have to figure out like ways to film and things like that, so bear with me as well with that. Yeah, I love all these products. So far I've loved them. I'm using them. This is the first time I'm using like the Shein, and so far, like, doing my makeup, guys, it feels amazing. The primer feels nice on my skin. Like, I don't know, it just feels really nice. I really love these products. Guys, no further ado, let's just jump. Oh, don't forget guys, give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bell so you do not miss any future videos. And I also want to try to do lives on YouTube, because I now have the feature to do lives, so I might do that too as well. Sometimes just go on live and just do my makeup with you guys and things. I just want to interact more, and, you know, guys, for you guys to give me more ideas of what you want me to do, what do you think is best, or what do you want to see on my channel. I'm all up for learning and doing new things and trying new things out. So yeah guys, no further ado, let's just jump right into this video. Okay guys, so we're doing a voiceover. You know how I feel about voiceovers. So you see that I'm just doing my brows a little bit with eyeshadow. I just love it this way. Here I'm going in with my Shein Press Refresh Setting Spray. It really is so refreshing. I like the mist because it goes on really smooth. It says keeps your makeup fresh. It smells like a vacation, and it really does, guys. Then I'm moving on to my SheGlam Birthday Skin Primer Soothing Brows. Guys, this stuff is so smooth and so nice. Like, I'm not even lying. I like that it comes with a little spoolie to kind of like, you know, put it on your face so you don't have to put your fingers inside the primer. It smells so amazing, guys. And it's so, I don't know, it just feels very velvety on my skin and very nice and just smooth. It really does smooth all my little pores and everything. So it really, really feels very, very nice. And I'm going in with my Pro Concealer, L.A Girl Pro Concealer. I really love this. And then I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo powder foundations, which I really, really love a lot. I got two different colors just because I like to mix things up. So here I'm just putting some concealer for my little dark circles and just to cover a little bit of, you know, little discoloration you have in your skin. And here I'm just getting my my e.l.f. Sponge and blending it all together. I've been doing this every day, guys. So if I go to work, guys, I literally just put this, a little bit of blush, and I'm out the door. So I'm using my e.l.f. Camo powder foundation. This foundation is so nice. Like, I just found it the other day when I went to Target, and I really been loving like powder foundation. It's just so nice. I like this one because it kind of gives me like a nice, like, I don't know, like a tan kind of. So it feels so nice on the skin, and then as the day progresses, it just sets on the skin so nicely. I just love it. And I just feel like it's so much easier to put like a powder foundation than to have to put liquid and I'm blending it and all that, especially when I go to work. So yes, I love it. I'm using this brush. I don't remember what brush it is. I don't think it even has a name, but I love this brush. It's like really fluffy and soft. I wonder how it will apply with a sponge. I need to try that. But here I'm getting the darker one that's for like a darker complexion, but I'm using it as it's like in the it's in bronze, but I'm using it to bronze up the skin. I just feel like it's nice to just have two different shades to kind of mix them up, like when you're tanner, or to bronze it up, or to give contour. But I like the fact that it's very, very smooth, guys. Like, I love this. It's really, really nice. And I'm telling you, it may look crazy now, but like in the finished look, the skin looks so amazing and tan. And I don't know, it just gives this nice, beautiful color to the skin. And I really, really, really like that. Because sometimes I could be looking pale. And sometimes like when I use certain like foundations, it makes me look pale. I don't know, powder foundation, I feel like is in now. I love it and I really, really like it. So here I'm just getting one of my palettes that I got to just put, you know, the white on there to kind of set that in. Here I almost forgot, guys, to show you guys literally the SheGlam contour. It's in Golden Sun. I almost forgot to do it, so that's why I kind of applied it on here on top of my other bronzer, just to kind of, for the purpose of the video, just so you guys can see how I look. And it was actually really nice, really, really nice, and it went on very nicely, which in another video I'll show you guys it a little better. Here I'm going in with my SheGlam Glam 101 Hybrid Highlighter and Blush Duo in Seville. I cannot even say the name, but this is so pretty. The blush and the highlight was really, really pretty and nice. I just like it because it all kind of fits together, bronzing the skin up and all that good stuff. Here I'm just using like a white, you can use like a white eyeshadow, whatever, anything base white, just to kind of like prep the eyes for my eyeshadow. I'm getting this orange shade, and it's like the other one is like a red orange, and I'm mixing these two together, and I'm just making this nice little beautiful look. First I start with my e.l.f. My Wet n Wild brush, which I really love these brushes, guys. You can get them now like in a dollar store for like $1. You can't beat that. So I've been really good at I notice how my makeup has changed so much and how you blend it better and how the transition is just, it's just amazing, guys. Like, I find it so much easier when you don't take your time and just do it, instead of being like me. I'm a perfectionist, so sometimes I feel when I do my eyeshadow, it doesn't come out the way I want to. So let me just go for it, blending it in. So I'm just putting that orange into the crease, and then I'm gonna grab that really, really dark one that's kind of like a reddish orange, and then I'm gonna start putting that into the outer corners of the eye and bringing it in as well. I just think these two colors are so pretty together, and this palette is really nice. The Morphe 9H I really, really like that palette. It's really nice. This is like the second time that I'm using it. I'm telling you guys, I have so many palettes that I have to use. I have to get back to doing my makeup videos because I really miss doing my makeup videos. And here I'm just grabbing this little shimmer color and applying it just to kind of put a little pop. I've really been loving this look, like putting a little shimmer. I don't know, I've just been loving that a lot. So I really like that. And I'm putting this highlighter that I bought in 5 and Below, which I really like. It has like a little glitter, so it's really, I think it kind of brings a little pop to the eye look. Now from that SheGlam Duo highlight and blush, I'm just using the highlight, and it's really, really nice. At this point, my sponge is probably like a little bit dry, but I'm pretty sure if I were to wet it, it would look even more nicer. Here I'm spraying my face once again with the SheGlam Press Refresh Setting Spray. I really love the setting spray. I like the mist. It's just so nice. Here I am putting mascara. And I also put mascara on my brows as well, just so they can stay in place. I need to really go get my other mascara, because this one, I like to wear waterproof mascara, guys. That's just my go-to. I wear contacts, so I really like to. Here I'm putting some highlight in the inner corners and on my tear duct and also on my brows and Cupid's bow and all that good stuff. You know, look at that beautiful highlight. It's just so amazing, guys. And here I'm going in with my SheGlam Starlight Velvet Lipstick in the shade Heartbeat, which is such a brown, like soft brown lip color. I just love it, guys. I really think it's so pretty. So this is the look, how it came out. If you see, I kept spraying because I just love that spray. It's just so amazing and so pretty. But I really love the way it came out. Nice and glowy. My skin is nice and matte. I just love it, guys. This look came out so amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. And like I always say, God bless you guys and a happy new year.
'Cause I've been counting